Apple started with the hardware. Then during 2000, 2010, they started to create certain platforms. We all know that from history, from iTunes, and the App Store was also created, iOS as well. And during the last, let's say, 10 to 15 years after the iPhone was established, Apple was integrating this, was collecting data, was onboarding partners, was like more and more looking for opportunities in the field of health, financial services, and so on and so forth. And the idea here is to spin a cocoon around the clients, around the customers, to serve more and more of their needs by not doing it just themselves, but by letting others on their dance floor, but curating this and trying to solve problems which are important for our lives. So that is the Apple story. And of course, the interesting thing is, if you look at the share price, it really goes up when this strategy was more and more ecosystem oriented. The example of Apple is the logic behind growing the pie. That means thinking about how can we create something where not only my company benefits, rather than we solve problems, and then the pie is big enough, probably bigger than if we would fight in the so-called red ocean of competition, where we just have product A against product B. Who has a toothbrush? I mean, everybody has to use a toothbrush, and this is a kind of a product we all use every day. Now, let's think about what can you do as additional services. Of course, you can create tutorials, insights, and personalized learnings via an app. So how to actually brush your teeth better, how you do it regularly, reminder function, and so on and so forth. What else is possible? Of course, you can think about, can you have maybe integrate also partners who have other stuff to sell, which is in this context of, let's say hygiene in your mouth, which is toothbrush heads, toothpaste, accessoires, and so on and so forth. That could be next level. Partners could also be dentists. So in terms of, hey, can you share data with your dentist so that he also can help you, because you don't see your dentist just every half year. It could be even integrated like health tracking integration with telemedicine services for remote dental consultations during these periods when you see your dentist. So you see, the ecosystem creates the experience that you're in the continuous loop of having interactions with the clients.